There are many ways to create a beautiful small backyard garden. Here are a few tips. Choose a theme or color scheme for your garden. This will help you select plants and other elements that will work well together. Use a variety of plants with different heights, textures, and colors to create interest and depth. Incorporate hardscapes, such as pathways, patios, and water features, to add interest and functionality to your garden. Create a focal point, such as a statue or a piece of artwork, to draw the eye and add visual interest to your garden. Use container plants to add pops of color and to fill in empty spaces. Incorporate seating areas, such as a bench or a small patio, to create a comfortable and inviting outdoor space. Use lighting to highlight key features of your garden and to create a warm, welcoming atmosphere in the evenings. Consider adding vertical elements, such as trellises or wall planters, to make use of limited space and add visual interest. Add personal touches, such as artwork or photographs, to make your garden feel like your own. Most importantly, have fun and get creative. A small backyard garden can be a beautiful and relaxing outdoor space with a little planning and effort. Here are a few general guidelines. For a small vegetable garden, you will need at least 100 square feet of space. This will allow you to grow a variety of vegetables, including tomatoes, peppers, squash, and beans. If you want to grow fruit trees or berry bushes, you will need at least 200 square feet of space. For a flower garden, you will need at least 50 square feet of space, depending on the size and number of plants you want to grow. If you want to create a more formal garden with defined beds and paths, you will need more space to accommodate these elements. It's important to keep in mind that these are just general guidelines and you can have a successful garden with less space if you choose the right plants and use containers or raised beds to grow them.